Fine blanking is a precision stamping process that uses a punch and die to cut the part out of a flat sheet material. This process uses specialized equipment to achieve significantly greater precision than conventional stamping. The conventional stamping operation pierces the material with a punch, makes a progression, and ejects the stamped part through an opening in the die plate below. However, this process is subject to natural forces that can cause the sheet material to bulge or deform around the punch. In contrast, fine blanking uses one or more V-rings, also known as stinger rings or impingement rings, to hold the material in a fixed position between the die plates. At the same time, counterpunch force is applied along with the blanking force, allowing the material to be cut with minimal bulging or deformation around the punch. Fine blanking offers several benefits for final part features, including straight cut edges, excellent flatness, and tight tolerances on dimensional features. It provides clean sheared edges without the need for further machining or cleaning. In contrast, stamped parts typically require machining processes such as grinding or broaching to form a clean edge that is usable for the final part application. Fine blanking is used to create a variety of parts for automotive, hydraulics, and electronics industries.